Hey everyone, welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision. Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and today we are looking at the coin market cap with an overview of cryptos, and we are seeing Bitcoin consolidating around 6,900, Ethereum also a little bit into the plus, $159.47, XRP hovering around $19 cents, Bitcoin Cash slightly higher, and also Bitcoin Satoshi Vision a little bit higher. That means that the crypto markets are having a nice uptick, and also Binance Coin is zooming higher, more than 8% is good. BTC dominance is ticking downwards towards 60%, now standing at 64%. For our portfolios, HODL and dollar cost average portfolio, we also added some coins. And it was top 5, and also some extra coins like Monero. We bought extra, added to our portfolio for $50 each. And for the swing trading portfolio, we took some profit off the table of Link Chain. It was last week, Friday. Anyway, Bitcoin, here we see the trading navigator still in a neutral phase, because it was a sell exit generated 2 weeks ago, and now the white background means that the market is for the longer term a little bit flat. That means to the upside 7,600, and to the downside 6,000 is the lower end of the trading range, so more or less 1,600 trading range. But if we are moving a little bit, zooming into the daily crypto daily chart, so there we see still a sell, and on the 240 also a little bit under pressure. And of course it is not that nice, but that means that the market is a little bit under pressure, but doesn't matter, because if you follow the arrows, there was even a buy signal at 6,700. You could get out around 7k, and now still into the red 4 hour, and also the hourly basis, a little bit slightly uptrending. And here it is again, a buy signal around 6,800. As we speak, this is a trade navigator, always based on the weekly charts. You can also use it, in my opinion, for shorter term trading activities in cryptos, and I use it for Bitcoin as well, and Ethereum. But if you see here on 6,855, there's a buy signal generated, and now there's a re-entry actually, and now sitting at 6,933 bucks, and that is a nice nice level to pick up some coins again for the Bitcoin. For the shorter term, for the ultra short term, 7,200 to the upside is the resistance area, and to the downside 6,700. And it's a pity that we don't see that too much in the chart. Here we see some spikes, 6,500 to the downside, a spike down, and it was yesterday a sell-off of a steep 6,600 points is quite a lot. Anyway, for the shorter term, still a long buy with a shorter term target 7,200, and at that point we can take some profits again. Anyway, I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista.